Marisol from Butterfly Garden Preschool, and today I'm going to show you how to make a timeline of your life. Let me tell you what are timelines, you guys. Timelines are a concrete graphic representation of a time and events shown in a chronological order. That means the order which they occur. You'll see. Now, the purpose of a timeline is to help the child to understand how life events and time can be represented on a timeline. Okay, you'll see when I put it on the wall. For the timeline, we are gonna need pictures, photographs, markers, tape, and papers. And you'll see each paper I wrote a number so I know the order. So number 1 is gonna be first and the second. That way I know how to tape them on the wall. And at the end you'll see the whole timeline of my life. Now, just remember, I am 40 years old. You guys are 3 and a half, 4, 5. So I have a lot to show you. And you will have a lot to show me too, but it will be a little smaller. Okay, let's start. Number 1 is this. So I wrote 1 and the year that this photograph, this event of my life happened. 1979. I was born on this year. So here I am with a very special person in my life, my Uncle G. And that's number 1, so I'm going to tape it here first. 1. Number 2, it says, my first piñata happened on 1982. And this birthday, I think it was my 2nd birthday. And this event goes up, right? And then it says 3. My first huge birthday cake, 1985. And look, I can tell I was celebrating my 5th birthday because if you count the candles, the huge cake has 5 candles. So this happened up. Perfect. Next, number 4, it says lost 2 teeth. 1987. Look at me with a huge open window here. 2 lost teeth. That's number 4. Number 5, it says first time riding a horse by myself. Yeehaw! 1990. That's me riding a horse. Ooh. Super brave, huh? 6, first time at Disneyland. 1998. And that's me holding a Mickey Mouse Disneyland. Here it is. Put it right there. 7, it says my first snowman. 1999. And here is my first snowman. I was in Chicago. Cold Chicago. Okay. Next, number 8, it says, my first year teaching at BGP Butterfly Garden Preschool 2009. And here it's me and a student. It's called Franklin, and we're in my classroom joking because he was very silly. Okay, that happens. Now, I wanted to print a picture of our new online teaching because that's gonna be a very important event in my life. So my printer couldn't print a picture, so I drew the picture. Here is the computer, Zoom, and we're doing our circle time every Friday. And that's Miss Gisa, and that's Miss Marisol, me, and all of our students. And it says, first time teaching online due to COVID-19, 2020. That's the year, and that's the last one. And I'm gonna put it right here. See? This is a fun way to go through your photographs and remember some super important things that happened to you, and you can just glue them on a paper, write the year, and you'll see what your life has to tell on a timeline. Okay, hope you like it, and if you do yours, please send us a video of your timeline of your life. Gracias.